Hello there, welcome back to Planes and Engines. My name is Sushant and today I'm going to put forth a vacuum system of the Cessna 152. So I will now draw the diagram and put forth to you in a much slower, faster pace than the previous one. The previous one was a bit too fast. It was 300 times the normal speed. So I will keep it at say 200 and that should be good enough. So let's begin with the Cessna 152 fuel or vacuum system, and after drawing I will again do the explanation part. So here we go. So as you have seen here that I have begun with the direction indicator and then moved on to the vacuum system air filter, followed by the attitude indicator and the suction gauge and so on. So why did I begin with the direction indicator? Well, when I see a diagram, I try to find the easiest possible way I can begin with, and then draw my tubes or pipes, whatever you call them, and link all the other components of the system. So here for me, I found that the direction indicator was the proper way to approach, followed by the vacuum system air filter, and I got it that way. So might be different for you because you are different individuals, so a different starting point for you, whatever you feel is comfortable, and the way you elaborate it. So that is all that matters, that how you put forth your system. So for me it works this way, but you should just give it a try with different components and try to, might start with the vacuum pump probably and then elaborate it from the top to the bottom, but just see what you can what you feel is right. Slowly we'll get it. So this one is from me, and let me know what you feel about this system. If you want any amendments done or any questions answered, then just drop a comment and I will surely respond. Thank you very much. So this is how your Cessna 152 vacuum system looks like. Now on to the explanation. An engine-driven vacuum system is available and provides the suction necessary to operate the attitude indicator and directional indicator. The system consists of a vacuum pump mounted on the engine, a vacuum relief valve, and vacuum system air filter. Now to the attitude indicator. An attitude indicator is available and gives a visual indication of flight attitude. Bank attitude is presented by a pointer at the top of the indicator, relative to the bank scale, which has index marks at 10, 20, 30, 60 and 90 degrees either side of the center mark. Pitch and roll attitudes are presented by a miniature airplane in relation to the horizon bar. Moving on to the directional indicator now. A directional indicator is available and displays airplane heading on a compass card in relation to a fixed simulated airplane image and index. The directional indicator will precess slightly over a period of time. Therefore, the compass card should be set in accordance with the magnetic compass just prior to takeoff and occasionally readjusted on extended flights. A knob on the lower left edge of the instrument is used to adjust the compass card to correct for any precession. Moving on to the suction gauge. A suction gauge is located on the left side of the instrument panel when the airplane is equipped with a vacuum system. Suction available for operation of the attitude indicator and directional indicator is shown by this gauge, which is calibrated in inches of mercury. The desired suction range is 4.6 to 5.4 inches of mercury. So That was your C152 Vacuum System. Hope it was up to your expectations. I would like to know what you think about the diagram or the explanation part, or if there are any mistakes or anything that concerns you, then let me know via commenting on YouTube or messaging me on the Facebook page, makes any chance. So, please don't let me know, guys. Sorry about the noise in the background. I don't know why, but this place is supposed to be quiet. Hence I recorded it. I'm sorry for that. So, till next time.